Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. One of my favorite things to make at home is homemade wood-fired pizza in my pizza oven. And having the right fuel can make such a difference. So I want to show you this awesome little mini split firewood from Smoak Firewoods. This is the white oak and this is specifically for mini pizza ovens. So these are a 5 to 6 inch little mini splits and these are the perfect thing for your little pizza oven. It is so convenient to have these already ready to go so you can start your fire super quickly, get your oven nice and hot, and be cooking in no time. So these are kiln dried, which is awesome because that makes them pest free, and also they have a really low moisture content, so they ignite really fast and they burn super hot, and they also burn really clean with not a lot of smoke. And I love the fact too that these are natural, it's an organic fuel source, and it is chemical free. That white oak adds a delicious flavor as well and just a little hint of smokiness to your food. You can get these in a variety of different species and also you can get them in different sizes. And these are great for smokers and barbecues as well. So we were really impressed with the quality of this wood and its consistency, and definitely the convenience of having these perfect little sized pieces for the pizza oven all ready to go so we can just get to cooking. So if you are ready to start cooking with fire, definitely check out Smoak Firewood's mini split logs for your pizza oven. They are a total game changer and really, really convenient, and that is my point of view.